You guys, I am standing in one of the bedrooms of the duplex. If you remember, we've got 2 3-bedroom duplexes that are going to be available, and how exciting to see it coming together. We've got windows in place, we've got HVAC going in, we've got the shower in, so this is just really exciting to see it come together. And here I'm standing in the kitchen of one of the duplexes. You can see we've got some of the plumbing ready to go. Of course, we're going to have sinks and stoves and all the good stuff, refrigerators, where families can gather and share a meal together.